Good evening, and how are you doing? A warm welcome to you to today's Insta Live. Insta Live with happens with me at 9. Powerful conversations with me, Dr. Shweta Iyengar, at 9 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays on Instagram. I go live and I go live to talk about topics that will enhance your beauty and your wellness, that will enhance your immune system, that will make you healthy at a cellular level, and this health at a cellular level will radiate beauty on the outside. Is this something you resonate with? Does this excite you? If it does, you should be a part of the Insta Live sessions that I have every Tuesday and Thursday at 9 p.m. because all the topics are very useful and interesting. And it's not just that. In my topics, I make sure that there are certain myths I burst. Yes, I like to burst the bubble, and through bursting the bubble, I empower you to new possibilities. At the same time, I like to give you some powerful secrets, some best practices, and these best practices can be applied very easily. One of my core competencies or one of my core values at SkinSense is making things fun and easy. I do not like to use jargon. I do not like to make things very complicated. I ensure that I make things easy to do, cost effective, hassle free. I tell you the step-by-step ways to do it, because at the end of every conversation, whether you're listening to me live or you're listening to a recording after this, I want to make sure that the time you have invested in listening to my conversation is a huge value add to you, because every conversation will leave you with a couple of action steps, at least one definite action step that you can take, and this action step will simplify health for you, will simplify beauty for you, will make sure that reaching the goals you want, reaching the desired level of wellness and beauty that you're currently looking for will become possible with this one simple action step, which will be unique for you. So in this conversation with me, in this journey with me, stay along, take notes, ask questions. You can ask questions right as we are conversing now, or you can ask questions on personal messenger, or you can go to my website, which is www.skinsense.co.in, and you can reach out to me on my mail. Yes, I personally reply to my mails. So I am declaring the topic of today. I am announcing the topic of today. The topic of today is how you can get freedom from dandruff. But yes, it is packaged in a slightly different way. The way it is packaged is, it is packaged to make you aware of the things that you might not be doing right, or the things that you need to stop doing or do differently because you're doing them wrongly currently. So this conversation is going to make you aware of certain habits, of certain ways of doing things which are ineffective, and these ineffective ways are not helping you get freedom from your dandruff. So I have been in the field of beauty medicine, aesthetic medicine for over 11 years now. If you don't know me, my name is Dr. Shweta Iyengar, and I'm the founder and thought leader of SkinSense and Aesthetic Clinic. At SkinSense Aesthetic Clinic, we work with proactive, ambitious men and women, and we ensure that we partner with them, and we ensure that they have amazing skin and hair at any age. We use only globally proven medical therapies, globally proven medical technologies to get from wherever you are to wherever you want to be. We make sure that it is personalized for you. It is extremely easy for you to follow the protocol that we chart down for you, and we ensure that you get results because we have a very strong review mechanism, and it is this review mechanism which helps us titrate whatever is working for you. We do more of that. Whatever is not working for you, we exactly know what changes we might need to make in whatever is not working for you. And when you give me a feedback, I will be able to take your journey, I will be able to make your journey extremely fruitful. I will be able to measure your progress and take you to the next level. So hi Darshana, hi Paresh, and welcome. we are talking about how you can get freedom from dandruff. There are so many people who are not getting freedom from dandruff and who started believing that I've done everything for my dandruff but nothing seems to work for me, and they are now given up and they are probably living or cursing the dandruff and they saying कि dandruff तो कभी जाता ही नहीं है, अगर जाता भी है तो वापस आ जाता है. No, dandruff can go away completely in most of the cases, and even if you're not able to completely eliminate the dandruff, I am going to teach you today how you can do something so that with minimal effort you get maximum result in having a healthy scalp and you're not hassled with problems of dandruff. Is dandruff a common problem? Yes, it is. Is dandruff a problem that can never be rid of? No, it is not. If you have a dandruff-like tendency, do you require some kind of maintenance? Yes. Is the maintenance going to be very difficult? No, not at all. I am going to simplify the maintenance and I am going to tell it to you. So Darshana, we have just started this session at 9 o'clock and we are now getting into the session. So I'm going to be sharing 5 things that most people do wrong, because of which they are still struggling with dandruff. They are in that vicious cycle where dandruff just goes away temporarily and comes back with a bang. So I am going to reveal these 5 things, and if you have dandruff or anybody in your family has dandruff, Darshana, you will realize that one of these 5 things is what you or your loved one is doing wrong, and by just this awareness you will be able to control your dandruff better. And none of the things I'm going to share with you is going to cost a lot of money, nor is it going to be very hassling. So we jump into the body of the topic now, the meat of the topic now, if I could say. So we begin with why are people not getting results in dandruff, and I am sharing this from real life stories because remember, day in and day out I am talking to men and women who have skin and hair concerns. They are meeting me, they are calling me, they are writing to me. Yes, you could do all of the above too, because once you reach out to me and you're ready to give me 6 months of your time with a regular follow-up, giving me a review of what worked for you and what didn't work for you, I will personally take the responsibility to ensure that you get the results that you desire and you deserve. So number one reason why people are not getting results in dandruff. Any guesses? Please let me know. What do you think could be the reason people are not getting results in dandruff? So one of the reasons people are not getting results in dandruff are they know they have dandruff, but for some reason they're not even using an anti-dandruff shampoo. So people say, I do have a dandruff problem, but when I ask them what shampoo are you using, they say a regular shampoo. They're generally using a regular shampoo or a herbal shampoo, but they have not gone and taken the step to use a simple anti-dandruff shampoo. So if you have dandruff, I will tell you from my area of expertise, which is prescribing globally proven therapies, globally proven pharmaceutical remedies to get rid of your problems. So my way, my solution to you for tackling your dandruff problem will be using the right anti-dandruff shampoo. And anti-dandruff shampoo is not a harsh product, and anti-dandruff shampoo is not a high chemical product. It just has certain ingredients, certain active ingredients which can help you get rid of your dandruff, because many times dandruff is an added fungal infection and this infection keeps spreading. You cannot take your dandruff lightly, because dandruff will not just be irritating on the scalp, but a dandruff can fall on the face, on the back, on the upper shoulders and form small whiteheads and blackheads. So it could further cause a lot of irritation to you. Also, if you have dandruff, you are going to have hair fall sooner or later. Dandruff and healthy hair cannot coexist together. Dandruff somewhere is telling you that the scalp is not healthy. So let us think beyond just being beautiful. Let us also think about being healthy, because I'm sure whether some people resonate a lot with taking care of themselves and going that extra mile to look beautiful, and some people think that it's not so important to look beautiful. So whichever category you belong to, I'm sure all of you want to be healthy, and this healthy skin, healthy hair, dandruff-free scalp, all of this indicate that on an internal level you are healthier. So would you want to be healthier on an internal level? Yes. I wish you all great health on an internal level, and I wish that there is so much cellular health, that this cellular health radiates into skin beauty and hair beauty for you. So that's the kind of beauty you and I are going to embrace, and we are going to find out how we can enhance the cellular health through healthy habits, through healthy practices, by not doing the wrong things, and how we can ooze out that beauty on the outside because we are healthy at a cellular level. So if you're not using an anti-dandruff shampoo, I would recommend talk to a physician and use an anti-dandruff shampoo. Do not feel that an anti-dandruff shampoo is a very harsh or chemical product. Do not believe that it is going to increase your hair fall, because these are certain myths. Some people just wash once and maybe it was a freak incident that they thought that day they saw a little more hair fall, and then they get extremely scared about it, and then they just stop using the anti-dandruff shampoo and go back to their herbal shampoo or whatever. I have nothing against herbal shampoos. I have nothing against any shampoo or any method of cleansing your hair. But if you have dandruff, what you are doing must get rid of your dandruff. If what you're doing is not effective for your dandruff, if your dandruff keeps coming back or doesn't go away at all, even if you feel that the dandruff is going away but there is a lot of itching of the scalp, which talks about the scalp not being happy, the scalp not being healthy, you must go ahead and find a solution for it. And the easiest solution I can suggest is an anti-dandruff shampoo. If you haven't found the right anti-dandruff shampoo for me, you can write to me in personal message. You can write to me. Go on my website, which is www.skinsense.co.in, and you can write to me from there on my mail ID, and I will personally ask you a few questions and I will be able to prescribe the right anti-dandruff shampoo. Is that interesting? Is that useful? Yes, I am serious about making a huge difference in your life. So this conversation is just a beginning. This conversation is to open up your mind to a lot of possibilities. This is a small conversation that can give you big results. But if there are certain steps in between, if you feel that you're not able to jump from just this small conversation to a very big result, not a problem at all. You know that you can write to me and I will reply personally when you write to me. So reason number 2, some people are using a dandruff shampoo. They're using an anti-dandruff shampoo prescribed by a doctor. They're using a really good anti-dandruff shampoo and still they are not getting results. What could be that reason? So reason number 2 could be that they're not getting results because they are not using the anti-dandruff shampoo correctly. So it's not just enough to use an anti-dandruff shampoo. How to use an anti-dandruff shampoo is also an important part of getting results and sustaining those results. So how should you use an anti-dandruff shampoo? Once you buy an anti-dandruff shampoo, once you start using an anti-dandruff shampoo, you must use it 2 or 3 times a week as prescribed by a doctor. You definitely need to use it at least 2 times a week. The second thing is, do not dilute the anti-dandruff shampoo. Just wet your scalp, wet your hair. The anti-dandruff shampoo is primarily for your scalp, not for your hair, but apply it all through the scalp. Massage it in, and after massaging it in, you need to wait for all 5 minutes. Whole 5 minutes, the anti-dandruff product needs to stay on your scalp. So you will have to spend your time probably brushing your teeth, flossing your teeth, scrubbing your body, scrubbing your face. So there are so many different ways to pamper yourself, and you will have to wait for that entire 5 minutes, which most people are not doing. So if your anti-dandruff shampoo is going to stay on your scalp for a very little time, then it does not give enough time for those actives to work, and because it does not give enough time for those actives to work, you are not getting the results. So even this one thing that I'm sharing with you, this one scientific fact that I'm sharing with you, could be a huge game changer for you. So if you are using a good anti-dandruff shampoo, don't rush to keep changing anti-dandruff shampoos. Also, do not say nothing works for me. Try it, leave it on for 5 minutes every time you wash your hair, and then wash your hair if possible with tap water. Do not use hot water because your scalp is already irritated, your scalp already has less moisture, your scalp is already secreting too much oil. So then washing it with tap water will really soothe it. Washing it with very hot water will further irritate it. So this is reason number 2, people are not getting results. Reason number 3, people are not getting results is if they have been told to use anti-dandruff shampoo 2 times a week. Some people are washing their hair 4 times a week. Some people are washing their hair every single day. But the other times when they wash their hair and they do not use the anti-dandruff shampoo, they are using a very harsh shampoo. They are using a shampoo which over cleanses. So this is a very, very important point. In between washing your hair with a dandruff shampoo, if you are washing your hair with a shampoo that contains sulfates, a shampoo that contains sulfates is going to strip your scalp of the natural oils that it has. It's very important for your scalp to have those natural oils because they have a very important role to play. But people who are overwashing their hair, using a shampoo too often and using a shampoo which lathers a lot, which has a lot of sulfates, are maybe most of the times they may be stripping their scalp of the essential oils that the scalp needs. And if the scalp does not have essential oils, it is going to be irritated, and if it is going to be irritated, it is going to flake again, you're going to have itching again, and you're going to have dandruff again. So reason number 3 is making sure that the times you're not using an anti-dandruff shampoo, you are not using a shampoo that has sulfates. You must always use a non-sulfated or shampoo which is free of sulfates. If you do not know how to find a shampoo which is free of sulfates, you can write to me. So Skin Sense also has its own brand of shampoo which is free of sulfates. It's marginally more expensive than a regular shampoo, but it is not very expensive and the benefits are huge. The benefits are not just in dandruff control, even your hair looks less frizzy, even your hair breaks a lot less. And what could be the 4th reason that you are not getting freedom from your dandruff? So there's one more reason you're not getting freedom from your dandruff. That is because you are cleansing your hair very often. You are cleansing your scalp very often. But what you're not doing is you're not cleansing your comb as often. You're not cleansing your scrunchies as often. You're not cleansing your clips as often. So as I began this conversation, I did tell you that dandruff could be a form of fungus, and if you haven't got your fungus removed from all the things that are coming in touch with your hair, that are coming in contact with your hair, you're just cleansing your scalp and your hair, but you're not cleansing your comb enough number of times, you're not cleansing your clip enough number of times, then the fungus could be sitting on your comb or your clip, and as you start combing it again, it could get transferred on the hair back again. So remember, as much as possible, use hot water to clean these tools regularly. Use alcohol-based sanitizers if need be because they are handy right now, or you could even dip all this in some anti-dandruff shampoo. So yes, comb, we miss this point, Darshana, absolutely. And we also sometimes forget to wash our scrunchies and our plastic clips. So, all of them could harbor a little bit of this fungus and it could just come back, get transferred back to the hair. So, we need to make it a point, and it could be very, very simple to make it super effective. We could just use the dandruff shampoo solution itself, because most of these dandruff shampoos have ketoconazole or some such actives. So, using this solution itself could be the most fastest and really effective way to wash your scrunchies and your clips and your combs. So thank you for acknowledging that. In fact, as in conversation, a friend of mine got this point to my notice, and I thought that yes, sometimes, like we say, penny wise and pound foolish, sometimes we slip up on the small things. We forget the small things and we keep wondering, why does this keep coming back? And probably there is no solution to it. So if we kind of start thinking that there must be a solution and I may be missing something, I am sure you will find your solution. So then there are very few concerns in life which probably have no solution. There must be a solution to most of the concerns, only if we are willing to look at what are we missing, what do we need to do differently, and then we should find a solution. So hi Sumit, thank you for saying that, and thank you for showing up on these lives and sharing that you're learning a lot. It really inspires me to know that people want to be learners, people want to know about the best practices, and when they take action and they tell me that this action has been helpful to them, it's a huge kind of a gratification for me. So what is a gratification for somebody who shares their knowledge with others? The gratification comes when people use the knowledge and they transform their life. So more power to you and all of you who are watching me either live or later through a recording. More power to people who are action takers and who take consistent and persistent action and get exponential results and live their life beautifully because they have chosen to be awesome inside out. People who've made the transition from just looking for a quick fix to looking for healthy at a cellular level, because that is what is going to give you long lasting beauty. So now I'm so happy that I could share this point with you. I'm so happy that you are here and you saw value of this point. Now, one more reason why people are not getting results in their dandruff, one more reason could be because their diet has too much sugars in it. So dandruff is caused by a problem called as chronic inflammation. And this chronic inflammation can come from a lot of junk food, a lot of untimely eating, a lot of processed food, a lot of bakery food, food which is high in sugars. You could even get chronic inflammation if you're not eating enough good fats in the food. So I've always said that good fats are good for you, and if you're not eating good fats in the food, that could also give you chronic inflammation. So if your diet is not right, that could be one of the reasons that your chronic inflammation is not going away. So I would want you to pay attention to what you eat. Eat mindfully. Do not eat foods that give you a sugar rush. If you have too many cravings throughout the day, somewhere you are eating food which are stimulating your system, which are giving you a sugar rush. If you're eating food that is really good for you, that slowly releases sugar, slowly and steadily you will realize that your uncontrollable cravings and your mood swings go away. So I would want you to focus on eating whole grains. I would want you to focus on eating nuts. I would want you to focus on eating something that has good fats which are good for you. For instance, it could be coconut oil or it could be ghee. We will have another conversation. We have had conversations in the past, but like I said, sometimes I don't mind over communicating, because even if I have to communicate the same thing a couple of times before it makes a paradigm shift in somebody's mind, I still think it is worth it, because I know that old habits die hard and we often get inspired by conversations, but then when we go back out of the conversation, we go back to our habits and we keep doing the things that we've been doing again and again. So like mom has told me that why do I have to tell you things 100 times? So being in the field of aesthetic medicine, I have realized that there are certain things I need to tell people 100 times before they actually start doing it. But I think it's still worth it, because it's years of conditioning that's making us take certain decisions, and probably you need to be told many times before something really snaps in you and you take that decision. But through my conversations, which I have been doing almost for 2 to 3 years now, through YouTube channel videos, through blogs, through lives. Lives are more common in the last 6 months after the lockdown, but even before that, I have been posting a video at least once a week. I've been writing some blogs, I've been talking in live lectures, and I've had so many people tell me that after I heard this and after I made this change, I could manage my hair fall better, I could manage my belly fat better, I could manage my dandruff better. And even that one person who comes back and says that yes, and something has changed for me for the rest of my life, I find it easy now to manage my hair or skin or dandruff. For me, it's a huge compliment, and I feel gratified that my efforts are not just producing some results, but my efforts are producing results that could transform the way somebody is taking care of their skin and hair. And the most important thing for me is to have an approach that I need to be healthy on the inside, and that is what matters the most, to be beautiful on the outside, and not the other way around, that I am beautiful on the outside so I can make believe that I am healthy on the inside. That's too stressful. All you need to focus on is cellular health, and beauty is just a byproduct. So thank you so much for listening to me. So I have shared 5 very common mistakes, I could call, that people are doing, and it is through these common mistakes that they're not able to get rid of their dandruff. You would have, as you went through this conversation, you would have identified one mistake that you may be doing, and you can share in the comments what is your learning from today's live session. So share your learnings either in the comments or in a personal message, or you can write me a mail and tell me that this is the area that you've been getting stuck. and how can I help you execute something better so that you get results in the area that you're getting stuck. So Darshana, you've been having curry leaves and seeds regularly after your hair masterclass. So I'm so glad that you've been doing that, and they're really very healthy things. If you've been having seeds, you will see your skin texture also improve. You will also see that your joints are a lot more supple. Probably in the 30s and the early 40s, it's not very stressful. We don't think about our joints too much, but then also think about it. We cannot start treating a damaged tissue after it has got damaged. So you need to start in your 30s. By 35, you need to be sure that you are thinking about cellular health, you are thinking about practices that will slow down your aging so that you can reap the benefits far into your 50s or and 60s. So thank you for being proactive, thank you for being action takers, and thank you for being well wishers. Thank you so much. So I'll be back on Tuesday, and Tuesday 9 o'clock I'm coming with yet another important topic, which is how to get rid of your double chin. So I have a lot of friends who have been complimenting me on my chiseled jawline, and who know that when you have a chiseled jawline, when you don't have weight around the neck and when you don't have weight around the chin area, you look much more attractive. Your features look much better. So if you have a double chin, if your neck looks sagging when you look down, if you kind of found a poucher, if your jawline is not chiseled, SkinSense specializes in anti-aging. Rather, SkinSense specializes in age reversals, and we have had so many cases where we have helped people get rid of their double chin, or at least dramatically reduce their double chin and totally change their personality, rather than your face dragging down, your face starts looking up. So if that is interesting to you, join me on the conversation on Tuesday. The conversation is, why do people have double chin and how I can help you get rid of it. Is this interesting to you? If it is, look forward to see you on Tuesday. And if there is any other concern in your mind or any other topic which you feel that I should be talking about, not just for your benefit, but you think it's a very relevant topic and not many people are talking about it. Like many people asked me to do a video on dark underarms. So because not many people are talking about it, but it is a problem that many people have. So if you haven't watched that video, you can go on my YouTube channel. So it is SkinSense or Dr. Shweta Iyengar. And on my YouTube channel, I have shared that live session. It's also somewhere on the Instagram, a very useful live session, because it's a very common problem to have dark underarms. So at our live sessions, we will be talking about problems that other people are talking about, but we will be having a very holistic perspective to it. And we will also be talking about the lesser spoken about problems, because they are very important too. So thank you very much, Darshana, for being here. I feel delighted every time I see you. So good night, and I hope that this session was a value add. Looking forward to see you again on Tuesday. So Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 o'clock, coming live to answer your questions on wellness and beauty. Ask me anything.